Hey everyone, welcome to Victoria Takes on Sweets. Today is a little different. I've decided to take on something that I have never done before, which is a gluten-free chocolate cake. The reason I decided to do this is because, pretty much that's all I could find. Because it's coronavirus time and things are really hard to come by at the grocery store, I couldn't find any regular flour. So I have found this, which is called Krusty's Gluten-Free All-Purpose Flour. Never used it before, never made anything gluten-free, but I've been craving something sweet, and so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. I don't know about you guys, but this coronavirus pandemic is, really scary, and it's difficult to find a lot of different products that you need. Obviously, baking is not like on high priority of things to do. I didn't really want to bake that often right now, or I don't really want to bake that often right now, just because you never know, like if you're gonna need something like flour or something that's essential, and I didn't want to use it all up baking. But I miss baking so much, so I just decided to treat me and my family and make us something that might lift our spirits with all the stuff that's going on. Okay, so I gave that a good mix. Okay, here is the final product, a chocolate cake made with gluten-free flour. I'm really excited to try it. It is pretty soft, I think, and moist to touch. The frosting that I did, it is just a store-bought chocolate frosting, and I just whipped it and added some almond extract to it just to give it some extra flavor. I saw somewhere online that I guess that's a good thing to do. So just to kind of jazz up the frosting a little bit. So I tried that. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and let's have a taste. I have to say, the cake itself has a good chocolate flavor. The flour does, I guess it tastes a little bit different, I guess, than regular all-purpose flour. It's not bad. It's not bad. The frosting, I actually liked better just right out of the can, the store-bought container. Adding the almond extract, for me, it didn't add much to the flavor of the frosting. I actually just prefer it right out of the little container. So anyway, but other than that, I'd say that this is a win. I really wanted something sweet. I was craving it, and since I couldn't find any all-purpose flour at the store and gluten-free was all I had, I figured, why not give it a try? So I think this will do. If I had to make cakes with gluten-free flour all the time, I probably wouldn't. I will probably stick with either using cake flour or my regular all-purpose flour, but this is just as good. Or it'll do. All right. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you enjoyed watching me make this gluten-free cake, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're interested in watching me try new things, just again, tune back in to my channel. And until next time, see you then.